Hi guys, guess what? It's a beautiful day. Today I received my Canadian passport. Yay, I'm so excited. So that part contains some sensitive information, so I had to just block it off. I'm so excited. It's been a long journey, and then I'm gonna be unboxing this passport, and also I'll be taking through the processes it takes to become a Canadian citizen and to apply for a passport, and then the wait time and the processes in between. So congratulations to me. I'm a Canadian now. I'm so excited for my passport. I can't wait to unbox it for you guys to see, to answer any of the questions that you might have based on processing time and all of that. So I'm so excited. Congratulations to me once again. I'm a Canadian now. Look at my passport right here. It's inside. I haven't seen it, but it's here right here. Look at it. I can feel it. I can feel it. I can feel it. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. It's already weekend. Canadian passport in a shirt.